Watch closely.
Wheat flour is carefully sifted to remove clumps and ensure a smooth cake sponge texture. Granulated sugar is precisely measured to balance sweetness and structure in the cake batter. Fresh eggs are filtered carefully to create a clean liquid base for the cake batter.
Butter is softened evenly to ensure smooth blending into the cake batter mixture.
Milk and oil are carefully measured to control moisture and softness in the cake.
Eggs and sugar are mixed together until the base becomes light and cohesive. Softened butter is blended in to enrich the batter's structure and flavor.
Measured liquids are blended in to create a balanced and smooth cake batter. Flour is gently folded in to build the cake's soft internal structure. The batter is aerated to achieve a light texture before shaping and baking.
Round baking pans are prepared to ensure the cake releases cleanly after baking.
Measured portions of batter are dispensed evenly into each round baking pan.
The batter is leveled to ensure even baking and a consistent sponge height. Prepared pans are loaded into industrial ovens to begin controlled baking.
Heat transforms the batter into a soft, evenly risen sponge cake.
Freshly baked sponge layers exit the oven, ready for controlled cooling. The sponge layers cool gradually to stabilize texture before handling. Each sponge layer is inspected to ensure consistent quality and structure.
Sponge edges are trimmed to create clean, uniform cake layers.
Sponge layers are stacked to build the cake's final height and structure.
The stacked sponge layers are carefully aligned to create straight, even cake sides.
A thin crumb coat is applied to seal the sponge and prepare for final frosting.
The crumb-coated cake rests briefly to allow the frosting to set evenly.
Final white cream frosting is applied to fully cover and finish the cake surface.
The cake's sides are smoothed to achieve clean, straight, professional edges.
The top surface is smooth flat to complete the cake's clean appearance.
The cake's edges are refined to produce a precise, clean final silhouette.
The finished cake is checked to confirm stability and structural integrity.
The cake is weighed to ensure it meets consistent production standards. A final visual inspection confirms that the cake meets all quality requirements.
The cake is confirmed acceptable and cleared to proceed toward packaging preparation.
The approved cake is carefully transferred onto the packaging preparation conveyor.
The finished cake is placed onto a clean base to support packaging and transport.
The completed cake moves forward toward the packaging preparation area.
An open packaging tray is prepared to receive the finished cake. The finished cake is placed carefully into the open packaging tray.
The cake remains fully visible and correctly positioned inside the open package.
A clear protective wrap is applied to secure the cake during transport.
The package is sealed securely while keeping the cake fully visible.
The sealed package is checked to ensure a clean, unmarked exterior. Plain cartons are opened and prepared to safely hold the finished packaged cake. The packaged cake is carefully placed into a protective carton.
The carton is closed securely to protect the cake during handling.
Filled cartons are stacked neatly in preparation for palletizing.
A clean pallet is prepared to support the cartons for transport.
Cartons are arranged onto pallets to create stable shipping units. The pallet load is wrapped to secure cartons during storage and transport. The wrapped pallet is inspected to ensure secure and stable stacking.
The finished pallets are transferred into the warehouse storage area.
The pallet is positioned in storage, ready for final dispatch preparation.
Finished pallets remain on hold until dispatch clearance is given. The pallet is cleared and prepared for outbound loading operations.
A forklift aligns careful to lift the finished cake pallet.
The pallet is lifted smoothly while maintaining full stability.
The pallet is aligned precisely with the transport truck bay.
The finished pallet is loaded carefully into the transport truck. The pallet is secured to prevent movement during transport.
The transport truck is closed and ready to depart. The loaded truck leaves the warehouse for distribution. And this is how modern factories produce birthday cake from start to finish.